Uh-oh.
Oh, man,
is he climbing the ropes with Gargano on his back?
Yes, he is.
What is he doing here?
Oh, no, not an avalanche air raid crash. No. Gargano looking for that sunset flip powerbomb.
Those brutal strikes to the face.
A face that's already been nailed
Oh,
no.
Oh, my gosh!
What a kick!
Following up with a powerbomb!
Is it a powerbomb by Johnny Gargano? What a kick to the face! Tope Suicida by Johnny Wrestling!
What's going to happen here?
They're on the apron. Dangerous territory.
Ciampa strikes just that much harder. Gargano bringing it.
Forget about the sounds of silence. You're listening to the sounds of violence here on the Cruiserweight Classic.
Rattling each other's chests with those tough big kick. Gargano's rocked. Oh no, not on the apron.
No.
Not on the apron.
Oh no. And the hardest part of the ring, Mamma Mia!
He pulls him right back in. Right back in.
This has to be it. Oh, come on! How is Gargano still conscious?
Look at his eyes!
Look at his eyes. These two are a tag team?
Hesitation.
Look at the hesitation by Ciampa, and maybe this is his friend after all.
Pulls the knee sleeve back up.
Nice.
Super kick.
Gargano takes advantage, and Claudio did it. Ciampa comes back with a clothesline. That moment of hesitation almost caught him.
Oh,